In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. This integration can streamline your workflow, helping you manage projects efficiently across both platforms. So, let's dive right in and explore this excellent synergy between Trello and Notion. To begin with, make sure you have accounts on both platforms. If you don't have accounts on Trello or Notion yet, go ahead and sign up for free. You'll find that both platforms offer intuitive interfaces but serve different roles. Integration helps them complement each other beautifully. Trello excels in task management with its boards, lists, and card setup, while Notion is superb for note-taking and organization. By combining them, you can keep your tasks and notes synchronized seamlessly. Now, when you're ready with your accounts, open Trello in one browser tab and Notion in another for easy navigation. In Trello, locate the board that you want to integrate with Notion. This board could be a project management board, a personal to-do list, or any workflow that suits your needs. Upon choosing the board, you should see a menu button, typically represented by 3 dots, usually found at the top right of your Trello board. This menu contains several options that allow for further customization and integration. Head over to the menu and select the option that says Power UPS. Power UPS and Trello are essentially features that you can add to your boards, enhancing their functionality. In the Power Up search bar, type in a connector tool. Connector tools work as a bridge between different apps, and it's essential here for setting up the link between Trello and Notion. Add this tool to your board by following the prompts to install it. This part is generally straightforward, with on-screen instructions guiding you along the way. Now, don't panic if there are additional permissions to grant. These are standard to ensure a secure data exchange between services. Once you have installed the connector, switch over to your Notion workspace. Here, focus on the section or page that you want to sync with Trello. This section could be a project page or a task list and is where you will pull in information from Trello. Now, back on the connector tool, you need to authenticate both your Trello and Notion accounts. This process allows the tool access to necessary data so it can perform the integration magic. Usually, you will click through authorization prompts. Just ensure that your accounts are being connected securely. With authentication successful, you have a range of actions to decide on, like syncing Trello cards with Notion pages or importing one into the other. Carefully set up these syncing preferences based on your workflow needs. This step is pivotal as it determines the flow of information between the two platforms. Once set, give your workflow a trial run by updating a task or note and observing the reflection across platforms. Congratulations, you've just integrated Trello with Notion. This setup should now enable you to enjoy a cohesive and productive working environment between both apps, making it easier to manage projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.